This is the broken gearbox of the Stac a.v.r. automatic voltage regulator. Since I cannot find any gear assembly, I opted to replace the gear assembly with a new and different kind of gear assembly. As we can see here, the gear has been worn out. All the other gears are still okay. This gear is also okay. I removed the gear assembly from the motor and replaced it to the new gear assembly. This is the new gear assembly that I just fixed, and it's working. It may not look so good, but it's okay. It works. As we can see, as I adjust the trimmer for the voltage setting, we can see that the gear is moving. The new gear assembly that I just placed is working. As we can see here, the new gear assembly is made out of bronze, and it's much better than the original, which is plastic. As we can see here, our input voltage is ranging from 232, 238, 240, 241. In the daytime, it drops to 200. So I really need this a.v.r. to fix the fluctuating current, fluctuating voltage. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning before putting it back together. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. After putting it back together, I found out that the meter is displaying an overvoltage, so I have to open it up again, and found out that it was the trimmer that is causing the problem, so I replaced it with a new trimmer. After replacing it, it's now working again. Just had to put it back together again for the second time. Okay, now as we can see, it's now working. I set the voltage of the a.v.r. to 225 because of our voltage goes to 240, 242 at night, and it is reaching the maximum level.